Hi everyone, thank you for watching our How to Become a Professional eBay P&A Seller series videos. In this video, we will be covering the importance of being a professional eBay P&A seller. So let's get started. These are the top 5 automotive aftermarket suppliers for your reference. The MOQ requirement is quite big from these suppliers, so our sellers normally do not order directly from them. Just a rough idea on who are the market leaders. Before the pandemic, we normally organize visits to P&A exhibitions all over the globe all year round. Since the pandemic, we have not been organizing these types of visits for a while. If you're interested in these P&A exhibitions, we highly recommend you to go visiting in person just to talk to suppliers and know how the parts actually work and help your P&A business. We're looking forward to organize these P&A visits soon. In order to become a professional P&A seller, do you know what exactly you're selling? In the following slides, we're going through in details on what to be focused on and what are the best practices. Store name is a very important component for P&A sellers. It is more professional to buyers that your store states the product category you're selling. For instance, if you're selling tires, it will be great to have the word tire in your store name, so buyers can immediately know if your store is selling something they are looking for. These are the core elements for P&A sellers: becoming the expert in the industry, deep diving into each product category, maintaining good quality control, archiving database, brand management, and having professional customer service. There is a wide range of products in P&A, and even only in one particular category, there are a lot of products. If you can master in one category and become the expert in that field, you will be able to set a higher barrier to prevent other competitors dividing the market share. If you would like to start becoming a P&A seller, to begin with, it is not necessarily to start with products that requires very professional knowledge. You can start with interior category, for instance, which you do not need very professional knowledge for the products. Once you have mastered the interior category, you can then expand your product category to more professional items, for example, cooling system. And with the same logic, you can eventually become a very professional P&A seller, mastering in all categories with intensive know-how. Quality control is also very important, which could directly affect your brand. So getting respective certifications or qualifications is a great advantage for your products. There are some well-known system certificates such as ISO 9001 and quality certifications such as US DOT, European E-Mark, or SAE standard. Normally, the audit process includes the following: inspection of damaged raw material, machine inspection, high and low pressure oil leakage inspection, etc. We also recommend you to sign contract with your suppliers and set different contract terms in order to protect your own interests, such as price, MOQ, lead time, shipping terms, payment terms, or even warranty, exclusiveness, etc. Archiving database is also very important for P&A sellers, as it can preserve the most important information of P&A companies. Normally, buyers search their parts according to their own vehicles. With the more information archived in the database, the easier the buyers are able to search for the products they needed. Among the buyer group, there are both professional and amateur buyers, which, for example, professional buyers search their products based on MPN, manufacturer parts number, which is a unique number for parts. It is also good to upload product shots and technical drawings so buyers will know the professional knowledge of the parts. Products with quality and testing standards also provide a great advantage as buyers will be confident in your products. We have covered a bit on brand management earlier, which is a huge topic to go through. In here, we will only go through a few key points in brand management. Building your own brand is essential. Once you have built up your own brand, the value of your brand is high and you will be able to have higher margin. Constantly expand customer source in order to expand your business gradually. Make use of eBay ads such as promoted listing standard and promoted listing events. Increase traffic of your eBay page, search engine, social media, self-owned websites. Marketing and promotions to create brand awareness. Professional customer service for any aftermarket sales service. Bad customer service definitely can damage your brand. User experience and user interface improvement, which I will be further elaborating. Traditionally, we put most of our focuses on desktop version when building a website interface. However, more people are using mobile devices nowadays, which around 60 to 70% of total users. We do recommend putting more effort on mobile interface. On the right-hand side, you can see a very professional website with all information at a glance. However, when it comes to a mobile version, only white background photos are available, with not much information provided. Buyers have to search for more information by scrolling around or tapping over buttons. The product shots of P&A follow the principle of simplicity, intuition, key aspects as the main picture, and multiple angle and all-round principles. If the product has accessories, the main body of the product and the accessories should be photographed and shown to the buyer. The illustration below is a sample product shot with mobile device friendly interface. This seller sells battery, and you can see that other than the major product shot, which is simple and clear, the other product shots contain a brief description and selling points of their product. As a result, on mobile device interface, buyer can view all major descriptions without searching around and can immediately hit buy it now for purchase. This can greatly improve the conversion rate, especially for a mobile device. Another example that seller focuses on mobile device interface. Although the design of the product shots are really beautiful, we would not recommend this style due to too much information listed in the photos. Wordings is a bit small, and black or colorful background is not recommended. Another function that we would like to recommend is the gallery video, which is displayed as the second image on the listing. Embedded video is displayed in the text of the publication. You can make use of the gallery video to demonstrate the steps of installing auto parts, which helps reduce returns due to buyers not knowing the installation steps, and eventually reduces SNAD cases. After understanding how to set up your eBay store and what products to source for, we will now go through how to sell your products on eBay by leveraging our resources. In order to increase the overall exposure rate for P&A sellers, other than setting your listings to the optimal for best matching, for example, item titles, item specifics, fitment, average selling price, free return, free shipment, etc., promoted listing is also an important tool. There are two types of promoted listing: promoted listing standard (PLS) and promoted listing events (PLA). According to the data, the current P&A sellers have a PLS adoption rate of more than 70% and more than 40% of their GMV comes from PLS. According to sellers' feedbacks, using PLS could increase product exposure by at least 100%. Thereby increasing overall store exposure. By placing keyword ads, sellers can more accurately place ads to specific group targets, and use advertising budget more flexibly. It is generally recommended to choose higher margin products to place PLA advertisement. Reducing transportation costs has always been one of the seller's objectives. The global shipping program is one of the options that sellers can consider. Seller only needs to send the products to the eBay designated warehouse address, and the warehouse will send the product to the international buyer's address. Buyers will pay international shipping fees and customs duties together when placing an order, simplifying the seller's operation process. In case of bad reviews and case escalations, eBay will provide corresponding protection to sellers. The countries listed are the top 20 buyer countries in the past, except for 8 main sites. It is recommended that sellers open shipping to these countries to receive more orders. We will now go through Vero management. It is very important to follow the Vero Verified Right Owner policy, especially for P&A products. The Verified Rights Owner program allows owners of intellectual property rights and their authorized representatives to report eBay listings that may infringe on those rights. Vero embodies our commitment to provide a safe place to buy and sell, which respects property owners' rights. If your listing was removed based on a Vero report, eBay sent you an email with details about why your listings was reported and how to contact the rights owner directly for more information. If you have concerns or questions about why your listings was removed, please contact the rights owner directly. Below are some examples of infringement. Do not use the words OE, original, genuine without OEM authorization from right owner. For example, for genuine parts, OEM genuine parts are some incorrect examples of listings. Do not use photos with the OEM's logo, trademark, or OE, original, genuine, etc. without authorization from right owner. Add fit for or fits on the product titles or description for specific models if there is no official authorization from right owner. The uniqueness of cars and motorcycles' appearance and shape may be embodied with the design rights and or copyrights. Be careful with the appearance and shape of unique and novel products. Just a quick summary on Vero policy. We suggest to add fit for or fits to the product titles and descriptions. Use product shots with care. And be careful with the appearance and shape of unique and novel products. Do not use words, images, logos, or trademarks with OE, original, genuine, and for. For more information, please refer to the following website. It is always seller's responsibility not to infringe intellectual property rights of others. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you having a better understanding in becoming a professional eBay P&A seller.